Page 32, Baby Skunk. Let's look it over and see what we're getting into here. Looks kind of ugly, but you never know. Let's see, it's 1 page long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef still. 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes and half notes and dotted half notes. Okay. And we have some sharp signs and staccatos and things. I'm just kind of getting an idea what's in it, is all. Now, for the most part, the hands are just playing one hand or the other. So to shorten the video, I'm going to talk about both hands together. Otherwise, I just take one hand at a time first and then put them together. So both hands together here. The right hand is little finger here. That puts the hand here in C position. The F sharp, I'll deal with that when I get there. The hand position is here. The left hand's starting second finger here. That puts it here. So it looks like we're in middle C position here. And it's 1, and it says the ring finger. Finger 4 is on the F. I'm going to use that on the F sharp. Only long enough to play it, then I'm back out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Get the idea? 1, 2, 3. That's a G and a B together. Rest. And both rest on beat 4. Second line, the first 2 measures are the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, rest, rest. Kind of hard to see that. You got a 1, rest, 3, rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third major, second line, you have 2 beats of rest in the right hand. That comes in on beat 3. 1, 2, 3. The left hand has a beat and you're done. So it's 1, 2, 3. It's hard to see it when it's done this way, but yeah, it's the only way to do it actually. But there's a rest on beat 2 in both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's go down to the third line, the last 2 measures. We have it here. Now B flat, I'm not going to use the same finger for both. So I'm going to have to use third finger here. That means fourth finger has to do this. So I've kind of changed hand positions a little bit. I'm just scrunching up is all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I'm going to stay there, and then I'll end up with little finger. But I'm going to come back down here. I want second finger on the B later. So I end up in this position, but I'm going to come back down to here. So again, the last 2 measures of the third line, I'm here. 1, 2, 3. And during the rest, I come back down here. And I do it again. And then at the end, the last measure, I got to come down here. I got to move. You got to look down at the keyboard for that one. Otherwise, hopefully, maybe eventually, you don't need to look at the keyboard for these. You'll know where these black keys are. Now, once I have an idea of the notes and the rhythms and all, and I connect everything now except for the rests, then I add the articulation. This is the slurs and the staccatos. Connect this. Connect all that together. And this, is it short? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're up on the left hand. The right hand has to wait till beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second line, connect to 1, 2, 3. Now the staccato. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. The last line, the last measure, both hands are staccato together. Okay. That's the articulation. And then I go and I add the dynamics. F at the beginning is forte for loud. And it looks like it's the only dynamic in it. But basically it's a loud. You have a loud skunk. Okay. You decide what loud is. Then the speed, moderately. So it's not fast or slow. It's sort of in the middle. Depends on how much coffee I've had to drink. Whichever. don't copy me. You play it at your speed, however you want your skunk to go. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Feel the natural accents as you go through this. That third line down, the last two measures. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3. 1, 2, 3, rest. Rest. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest. 3. Rest.